Most small business owners are losing customers they never even get a chance to talk to. And it's not their fault, it's their Google profile. They've got the product, they've got the service, they work their tails off, but in their Google business profile is invisible or a mess, customers will never even know they exist. Every day they lose business to the competitor down the street who just shows up better on Google. I'm Billy Colbert, Navy veteran, and I've spent my life building systems that don't crack under pressure. Today I want to show you a simple way to fix that without spending thousands on ads or hiring a full marketing team. Here's the truth most agencies won't tell you. Your online reputation is your new storefront. If it looks abandoned, customers walk right past. You can have the best reviews in the world sitting in your inbox, but if they're not showing up on Google, they don't count. You can post great content once in a while, but without consistency, Google stops showing you to new customers. And when you finally decide to fix it, you're stuck with 3 bad choices. Spend hours every day trying to figure it out yourself, pay an overpriced agency thousands of dollars, or keep losing business to companies who are already showing up. That's exactly where most small business owners stay stuck. I've seen it over and over again. I didn't learn this in some marketing course. I learned it the hard way in the Navy, running a microbiology lab where one mistake could delay care for wounded soldiers. Later, as an occupational safety expert and business owner, I built systems that had to work under real pressure. Today, I help small business owners do the same thing with their online presence. Not flashy tricks, real steady systems that actually bring in customers. That's why I built SOSBots Reputation Management. It's not another set and forget it tool that does nothing. It's a complete system that gets your Google business profile working for you consistently. Here's what actually happens when you use it. We help you get real reviews from real customers, the kind that move the needle. We post relevant professional content on a regular schedule so Google sees you as an active and trustworthy. We optimize your profile so you show up when people in your area are actually searching. And we do it with a system that's built to run without you babysitting it every day. This is the same approach I use for my own businesses. Simple, consistent, effective. Right now, you can try the entire system for the first 30 days. After that, it's only $297 a month, or you can choose the annual plan for $29.70 and get 2 months for free. Here's what's included. Full management of your Google business profile, review generation system, consistent posting and content, monthly performance reports, access to our support and systems. You don't need to know how any of this works. We handle the heavy lifting. You just focus on running your business. Now let's be real about what to expect in the first 60 days. The first couple of weeks, you'll start seeing more activity on your profile. Reviews coming in, posts going live, your information cleaned up and optimized. By 30 days, most businesses start noticing showing up on more searches. By day 60, you should have a steady flow of reviews and content working for you. The results vary based on your industry, location, and how quickly customers respond. Don't mind that cannon, I'm at the Alamo. This is not magic, it's consistent work applied the right way. If you're looking for overnight results or guaranteed first page rankings in 7 days, this isn't for you. If you want a real system that builds over time, this is it. You can cancel anytime during the first 30 days, no long contracts, no hidden fees. The only way you lose is if you keep doing nothing and keep losing customers to the guy who's already showing up on Google. There's 2 options on the page right below this video that you can choose from right now. If you wanted to start with the monthly plan and see how it works, click the first button. If you're ready to commit for the year and save 2 months, click the annual plan. Either way, you'll be taken to a simple checkout. And then remember our motto, you never give up.